Today we are going to learn about how to calculate the distance between the 2 points using the distance formula. Here you can see that I have 2 points and the first number is the x coordinate and the second number is the y coordinate. So we will write the first number x1 and second number as y1. Similarly here 7 is the x coordinate and 5 is the y coordinate. So we will write 7 as x2 and 5 as y2. Now this is the distance formula and we will simply put the above values in the distance formula. So here we will put x2 as x1 and x1 as 4. Now here we will put y2 as 5 and y1 as 2. Now we will subtract them and then we will take the square, and here in this step it will become 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 and we will take the square root and the answer will be 3 square root 2. So using this distance formula you can calculate the distance between any 2 points.